I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram verification code not received problem. So if you try to request for the verification code multiple times but all went in vain, then make sure to follow this video to the very end in order for you to receive that verification code. And if you find this guide useful, kindly consider giving a thumbs up and subscribe to never miss any of our new uploads. So without further ado, let's begin. So now, after confirming your phone number and verifying your email address, but you still haven't received that verification code, the first solution is checking your internet connectivity. So if you are using mobile data, you can try switching to Wi-Fi or vice versa to see if you receive that code. Now in case that doesn't happen, now the second solution is to request that code via call. So now guys, you need to wait for the timer to end for you to receive or to request the code via call. So now after the timer has ended, just click on call me to dedicate the code. So now your phone number will receive a call from Telegram. So now in case if you don't receive the call, now the third solution is to check if you have blocked unknown callers. Now to do so, open your phone app. Then tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Then click on settings. Then click on blocked numbers. Now if the block calls from identified callers is enabled, make sure you turn it off. So now another solution is checking if you have blocked unknown SMS. So to do so, open your SMS application. Then click on that profile icon at the top right corner. Now select Messages Settings. Then click on General. Now select Notifications. So make sure you turn on all messages notifications and more so incoming messages. Turn it on. So after doing that, you can try requesting for the code once again. In case that doesn't happen, another solution is to check Telegram app permissions. Now to do so, now you need to locate your Telegram application. So after locating it, tap and hold on that app, then select App Info. Now select the second option, Permissions. Now guys, make sure you grant access to call logs, notifications and phone, as you can see. So now after doing that, you can go ahead and try to request for the code once more. Now in case the code doesn't come, you can try to clear both storage and cache on your Telegram application. Now to do so, tap and hold on that app once more, then select App Info. Now this time select Storage and Cache, the third option. Now make sure you clear both storage and cache. So tap on those three dots here at the top right corner, then select Clear Local Database, then confirm. Then make sure you clear cache. So now after doing that, the next step is to update your Telegram application. So open your Play Store or App Store, then search for Telegram. So guys, make sure your Telegram application is up to date. So now after doing that, you can go ahead and try requesting for the code. So if in case you did not receive the code at all, now the last solution is to check if you received the code on another device. So if you're logged in the same Telegram account on a different device, chances are you received the code there, because that is the very first option Telegram opt for when sending a code. So now after doing those all steps, now it's time to request for the code once more and log in to a Telegram account. So now open that Telegram application. So now you need to enter a verification code sent to email address. So minimize Telegram and open your Gmail application. Now copy this code. Go back to Telegram and submit that code. So now after doing that, automatically your phone number will be verified, and now you'll be able to log in back to a Telegram account. So guys, with these few solutions, you can easily solve this problem. So I hope you find this guide useful, and if you do, kindly leave a like, share and subscribe. So now for those who love what we are doing and wish to support this channel even further, we have created a membership button whereby you can join and show your love and support. You'll get loyalty badges next to your name in comments, priority reply to comments, member shoutouts, and connecting to social media. Feel free to check out the link in the description box below. We highly appreciate your support and thank you in advance. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe.